Alright, boys, we are in a trade right now that you guys are going to see. We're letting this run. Did end up taking this. This is my second trade of the day on this. Going to put me just down a little bit on the day, but this was the best setup I've seen so far. We had a clear SMT with ES. ES took these lows, Nasdaq did not. Just gonna let that run. Hopefully it'll hit. We can start trailing soon. Once we take out this high, we'll trail. We'll actually sell too as well. Just to get that green. But yeah, clear SMT at these lows. Clean inverse on the 5 minute. So yeah, took that trade, put that right here, and we're gonna start trailing this one a little more because I do want to start building that buffer back. Once we hit these highs, I'll probably bring it up to like 50 bucks or something, or 30 bucks. Thought this would be a cooler thing for you guys to see if you guys wanted to see a live trade, what's going through my mind right now. So hopefully we hit this, and when we do hit that, we will start trailing this. Just gotta be patient here. Alright, bring that up. Alright, sweet. Trail this as well. Been having a difficult time trading recently, boys, so I'm just taking what I can get right now. This setup is pure. I love it. Look at that right here. But let's see if we can push to these highs. If not, still a winning trade. I'm really hoping we can push to these highs just for this. Just in case we get edged, we'll leave that right there. But I really want to see it come to these highs. I don't see why we wouldn't. ES hasn't swept them. Could get caught up in this gap on ES and cause us to bring us down, which looks like it might be happening. I want to see ES get a little... I don't want to see that. ES is respecting that fair value gap. I want to see it just drive through it to these highs. We have all this buy side up here as well. Not sure what I should do. I think I'm just going to let this run. I might start trailing this a little harder. I don't like seeing that. I might just leave that here. We'll see. Oh wait. What is this on? Okay, this is a 2-minute gap on ES. Alright, I think I'm going to close this one out just to get a little bit of a buffer on this. Clearly disrespecting it, and I think I'm also going to close this one out. Alright. I could end up regretting that, but taking what we can get right now, I am going to regret that. But I hope you guys understand. I mean, I think you all will understand why I closed it out on this. Clearly I'm getting low, so that 50, 60 bucks I just closed out is good for me. I'll take anything I can get since I'm trading one micro right now. That trade we just won allows me to trade one more time. But slowly got to build this buffer back up. And then on this, I could have let it run, but decided not to. I'm just going to take the profit I can get, not getting greedy. I feel like this has every reason to continue lower like it is doing now. We did sweep these highs. And yeah, ES is respecting this, so every reason to reverse. It looks like I did make a good decision. ES is filling this 2-minute fair value gap. It could give it the push it needs to take out these highs, but for me, I kind of wanted to get out of that trade. So if ES continues to respect this, I don't see why we wouldn't go and take these highs. But yeah, you guys just saw that. I'll show you another one that my loss that I took on this. I thought we wanted to target previous day lows, which is this green line right here. And so then when we change state right here, after respecting this fair value gap, I thought for sure we would come and take these lows out. I had to take profit here, here, and then I'll run it right here. I entered with 3 micros. You guys saw that put me down 150 bucks. But yeah, no. I think I already explained this trade, but basically the SMT, an inverse 5-minute gap, clean trade. But yeah, I think I just need to be a lot more patient right now. Trades have been, so yeah, see, good thing we did get out. ES inverse that 2-minute already. Unless this 1-minute holds on NQ, that's the last hope for this trade. But yeah, I'm honestly taking what I can get. I'm not being greedy. It's been a rough last couple of weeks, if I'm being honest. It's been pretty rough trading wise. So yeah, just taking what we can get. But I will see you boys tomorrow.